Hello, I think in both of the forums are enjoying a good music event. They both seem to be a good music event, but the main difference between these forums is the first one show that people are happy and are more energetic and excited, and the second one show that people are happy, comfortable, and relaxed. Other important thing in the first one followed show young people and the second one showed old people. Also, in the first followed the people is more cheerful and the second followed the people are maybe boring. Finally, I think the first photo, the people had many moments jumping and take some photos about the concert, but in the second photo, the people are more organized and tables and maybe more enjoying about the folk music, but I won't like folk music. I prefer to go to concerts. That's all I think.